Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering on the VR Park glasses and confirming firmware is current. This prevents incompatible features. Next, log into your VR Park account so saves and purchases sync. Once done, fit the strap comfortably and adjust interpupillary distance until the image is sharp. Make sure the battery reads at least 80% for a full session. Finally, scan the play area boundary, moving slowly so the headset maps the space correctly. This reduces collisions and keeps tracking stable. You now pair the controllers and verify battery levels. Low power causes lag and input drift. After pairing, run the room scale calibration routine so the system knows floor height and play area limits. While calibrating, rotate slowly and hold each controller steady when prompted. This refines sensor fusion and prevents jitter. Then, open the VR Park menu and preview experiences. Select a guided tutorial if you need orientation, or pick free roam when comfortable. Make sure controller buttons respond before launching full content. You begin the session by following the Guardian prompts. They prevent leaving safe bounds. As you play, take short breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to reduce eye strain and motion discomfort. When finished, power down, clean lenses with the supplied microfiber cloth, and store the headset on a soft surface away from sunlight and extreme heat. If tracking or image drift happens during play, stop, recalibrate the room and controllers, and if that fails, restart the headset. This usually resolves sensor or software glitch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.